Got you Decals, darker, sharper, more Venom energy. No rabbit, just precision, aggression, and that FN2 presence. Yeah. Black on gloss, blade in motion. This for the FN2. Venom in the workflow. FN2 body, yeah, we mapped that frame. Honda Civic Type-R, FN2 built for the name. Vector lines, razor every curve precise. No room for error when you cut this nice. Illustrator grid, anchors locked in place. Every path closed tight, no distortion in the trace. No pixels in the system, this a vector attack. Plotter with the lines, not a roster track. Panel by panel, yeah, we match that flow. Door line alignment where the graphics go. Layered if needed, registration exact. Every color stack, gotta sit intact. Scroll to the shell, visualize the ride. See it on the FN2 before we even decide. This ain't decoration, this identity set. Every line we drop is a mark of respect.
Cut sharp, black gloss, let the blade go speak. FN2 Venom, yeah, the finish stays sleek. From file to film, then we lay it complete. Turn raw material into something elite. Cut sharp, black gloss, let the blade go speak. FN2 Venom, yeah, the finish stays sleek. From file to film, then we lay it complete. Turn raw material into something elite.
Vinyl in the feed, tension dialed in. Blade that flow, just cut through the skin. Too deep, hit back and that's damage done. Too light, won't we gotta rerun. Plotter start carving, FN2 take shape. Every line we design, now escape the tape. Then we weed it slow, strip the waste away. Leave the clean aggression that was meant to stay. Fine detail cuts, yeah, the pressure intense. Every corner peel, gotta make perfect sense. Hook too steady, no panic, no slip. One wrong move, whole graphic get clipped. Negative space, pick no waste, get gone. The reveal moment when the design turns strong. From sheet to symbol, from concept to threat. That FN2 decal ain't subtle, it's set.
Cut sharp, black gloss, let the blade go speak. FN2 Venom, yeah, the finish stays sleek. From file to film, then we lay it complete. Turn raw material into something elite. Cut sharp, black gloss, let the blade go speak. FN2 Venom, yeah, the finish stays sleek. From file to film, then we lay it complete. Turn raw material into something elite.
Now we at the car, FN2 won't stand. Surface prep clean, every inch by hand. Is appropriate wipe, no dust in sight. Adhesion got a bomb when we lay it right. Transfer tape lock, lift the piece with care. No stretch in the vinyl, keep the structure there. Line it with the body contour to the frame. Every angle match to the Type-R name. Hinge method drop, now we bring it alive. Squeeze G from center, let the air divide. Push it out slow, no bubbles remain. Smooth like glass when it's fully laid. Peel back tape, let the vinyl stay. If it lift, press down, control the play. Final pass pressure, edges sealed tight. Now that FN2 cut through the light. Dark lines, clean edges, no mistakes, just methods. From silence to statement.
Cut sharp M2, yeah, the process exact. Every stage precise, no room for slack. From design to install, every step elite. Venom in the craft, and the finish complete, on the finish complete. Cut sharp M2. Cut sharp.
Finish complete.
Cut sharp. Cut sharp.
Finish complete.